Welcome back, dear listeners. You're tuned into AI with Shaily, where I, Shailendra Kumar, your go to AI practitioner and author, bring you the freshest breakthroughs and trends in artificial intelligence. Today, we're zooming into the near future, 2026 to be precise, where autonomous AI agents are not just sci fi dreams, but real players transforming the enterprise landscape. Picture this: not long ago, AI agents were these lone wolves trying to do everything solo, like a one man band attempting jazz, rock, and classical simultaneously. Well, those days are fading fast. The hottest trend flooding tech forums and social media is the rise of specialized multi agent teams, each with their own expertise, orchestrating together like a well rehearsed symphony. In fact, curiosity about multi agent systems skyrocketed over 1,400% between early 2024 to mid 2025. Enterprises are now smartly dividing tasks into three autonomy zones: fully automatic for low risk chores, supervised autonomy when stakes are higher, and human led strategies where it really counts. This tiered autonomy approach is as practical as having an expert squad rather than a jack of all trades agent. And here's a juicy twist: agent native platforms are stirring up the AI scene like a storm in a teacup. Imagine companies designing their entire business model around autonomous agents as the main interface, not just an add on feature. It's a bold pivot from traditional software, and investors are buzzing about it on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Gartner's crystal ball shows 40% of enterprise apps will embed these AI agents by the end of 2026, massively up from less than 5% just a year prior, with the market value poised to leap from under $8 billion to over $50 billion by 2030. But what makes these agents tick? Behind the scenes, seven key design patterns are now mainstream staples, from react and reflection to planning, multi agent collaboration, and retrieval augmented generation, or RAG for short, which lets agents tap into real time data instead of stale databases. It's like upgrading from a dusty encyclopedia to live news coverage whenever decisions need to be made. Now, here's where the rubber meets the road. Gartner also foresees that over 40% of these ambitious AI agent projects will hit the dust, not because the AI flopped, but due to governance headaches. Imagine brilliant agents struggling to operate under outdated control rules. Production reliability, handling errors gracefully, and knowing when to ask for backup is the new frontier. Plus, with risks of AI agents acting like insider threats, companies are crafting strict autonomy with control frameworks. Think of it as putting AI agents on a smart leash rather than letting them roam wild. I recall when I first experimented with autonomous systems years ago, hours tinkering with one agent to do a complex task, only to have it freeze mid execution. The lesson: autonomy is not just about intelligence, but also resilience and smart governance. That's what 2026 is gearing up to perfect. Before we wrap, here's a bonus tip. If you're exploring AI agents yourself, prioritize building robust feedback loops. Think of them as your agent's self awareness mirrors. This helps catch errors early and keeps your system dependable in the wild. Now, let me leave you with a thought by AI pioneer Judea Pearl, who said, "The future belongs to those who can understand and orchestrate causality." As AI agents evolve, mastering orchestration and control will be the real game changer. Connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium to dive deeper into these AI revolutions. Don't forget to subscribe for your weekly AI dose and drop your thoughts below. Do you see multi agent systems as the future or a complex puzzle we're yet to solve? This has been Shailendra Kumar on AI with Shaily, tuning in so you stay ahead in the AI race. Until next time, keep curious and keep innovating.